So hey guys, I am back. I know it's been like a month or two since I have made a video. It's because I was in New York and California a long time, so I kind of forgot. But over those days, I bought a puppet. I got a puppet because I really like Super Mario Logan, and I'm going to show it to you today. And by the way, the killer clown has gone. He has not come back since that. I'll post a video if he does. So, he's right, Chef Pee-Pee's right here. No. Not Chef Pee-Pee, Cop Pee-Pee. Hey guys. Pee-Pee. Yeah guys, I'm trying to practice ventriloquist with him. So, stop that. Whoa. I'm gonna keep doing it. He never listens to me. Yep. I never listen to you. Oh. Why did you do that? Oh no. Ugh. Wow. Sometimes he's a real pain in the butt. Yep. I am. What's this camera here doing? Oh, I'm recording it to be on YouTube. Oh. What is that? Garbage Truck Man. It's Garbage Truck Man. He's out there, people. Can I end the video? No. Too bad I am no shop, baby!